Runner's high. That euphoric, floaty feeling after a long run that makes you feel like you can conquer anything. Few have experienced it, but once you have, there's no going back. So, what exactly is runner's high? Runner's high is essentially a feeling of extreme happiness and relaxation after a long period of exercise. You feel a lot less pain and might even want to run for an extra few miles. Basically, it's like you have superpowers. And it's not just limited to running. You can feel runner's high after dancing, swimming, and many other forms of exercise. But not everyone experiences runner's high. So what's the science behind it? For decades, scientists thought endorphins were behind runner's high. Endorphins are a chemical released into your blood during aerobic exercise. Endorphins are sometimes called the feel-good chemical. They make you feel happy and reduce pain so you can exercise for longer. There's just one slight issue. Runner's high is an effect in the brain. And the brain is protected by a layer of cells called the blood-brain barrier. For someone to feel runner's high, chemicals have to get past the blood-brain barrier. This barrier protects the brain by blocking out molecules that are too big. And even though endorphins seem to be small, they're actually pretty big compared to other molecules, so they can't cross the blood-brain barrier. So what does cross the barrier? It might be something called endocannabinoids. These are naturally produced neurotransmitters, meaning they attach to receptors in the body to send signals. Endocannabinoids activate the same receptors as THC, the active compound in marijuana, producing feelings of calm, reduced anxiety, and even euphoria. Endocannabinoids are very small and dissolve in fat, so they can travel through the blood-brain barrier. This is why scientists think endocannabinoids could explain runner's high. Unfortunately, though, there hasn't been enough research done to know for sure the true reason behind runner's high. Research about this is still ongoing. However, what scientists do know is that running and other forms of exercise have many health benefits, even if you don't experience runner's high. So the lesson here is to get outside and get moving. You don't need runner's high to make the most of your life.